In today's episode for my mini-series of the new Scrapbook.com cardstock collection, we will be going through the colors for the Glimmer Cardstock, and there are 30 of them, and they are beautiful. So if that sounds good to you, stay tuned. Hey crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs, and thanks so much for stopping by today. In this episode of my mini-series about the new Scrapbook.com cardstock, we will be going through the colors in the Glimmer Cardstock pack, and there are 30 for us to get to. And with this one again, it's 80 pound, and we have 30 gorgeous colors. This Glimmer Cardstock is so fun because you get that really subtle sparkle with absolutely no mess. And it looks like this is that kind of the linen canvas texture, and then you have a shimmer sparkle overlay on that, and the back side is just plain. So you could kind of do a reversible thing if you were cutting out a bunch of stuff. But anyway, let's go through the colors. So this first one is Imperial Red. And then this one is Exotic Red. And then Cranberry Zing. And those shades together look gorgeous. And we have Pink Delight. So pretty. And then Frosty Pink. So there are our pinks and the reds for that. And then there is Carrot Stick heading into the oranges. Bittersweet. And for the yellows we have Sun Glow. Look how pretty this is. And then Golden Yellow. And heading into the blue greens we have Glacier Blue. So pretty. This would be great for snowflakes. Tropical Surf. Tropical Bay. And for the greens we have Willow Green. Sparkling Apple. This is a pretty color. I love this one, Fern. And then for the blues, we have Soft Blue, Bedazzled Blue, it's fun, Blue Chip, this is gorgeous, and Sapphire Sparkle. And then for the purples, we have Amethyst Jewel and Purple Velvet. I love how these go together so well. This one I love, Icicles. It's kind of like an off-white, and I feel like it's got a little like gray-green in it. We have Irish Cream, so it's like an ivory. Polar Bear, Sandpaper, Burly Wood, Beryl Brown, it's really pretty. And then for the grays we have Polished Stone, Granite. And then for the darkest is this Black Bear. So it's so shimmery. Alright, so there are all of our 30 colors for the Glimmer. And again, this is awesome. It's no mess sparkle shimmer, which is always awesome. I will link over in the description and over on my blog to the bundle pack for this. I believe it's sold out at the moment, but make sure you put your name on the list for the notify me, so when it comes in you will be notified. But if there's any individual colors that you love right now, you can link over and purchase any of them individually, and they come in 12 by 12 pieces. So those are available now. If you've enjoyed this walkthrough today, I would love it if you could hit that like button and also consider subscribing to my channel. And be sure to hit that notification button because we have 5 videos all together in this mini series, and if you hit the notification, it'll let you know when I upload the next one. If you want to stick around to the end screen, I will put the playlist for this series, for this new scrapbook.com cardstock collection, and I will also put there my card making playlist so you can get any card inspiration there, and you can also check out when I make a project using these new gorgeous papers. Thanks so much for stopping by today, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye bye.